Hey everyone, this is Esther with Ester Buys Houses. We're here in beautiful Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona, networking with some individuals here in Arizona. There are also people that do work in Houston, Texas, also. So, getting some really great advice and strategies on how to help out owners with their problems. It's really great to be able to talk to a homeowner that's stressed about their house, and I've got exactly what to do to be able to help them out and see that relief that they have on their face, knowing that I can help them out. So I do buy properties in around El Paso. Just give me a call. I'm here to help you out any way that I can. My number is 915-247-8882. Again, 915-247-8882. I'm here to help you out. Just give me a call. I do answer my phones, unlike some other people. So give me a call and I will see what I can do to help you out. Let's just talk, no sales pitch. All right, guys, take care, and I will talk to you later. Bye.